So let's create a store of data into our API. So for that, first create a migration file, and migration file will be look like this. It has ID, author underscore ID, string, title, description, and book cost, and then create an API route that is create book. It will be called a function, store function from book controller. Go to book controller, and here we are using store function, so it has two parameter, request and request class and request instance. Now first thing to do is we need to validate data we are getting from Postman. So we need go to our migration file. So we need this title and book cost as a mandatory field. So for that we are validating this, and after validating we are calling our model, and we're saving author underscore ID from auth dash user underscore ID user, and we're getting an ID authenticated user ID from here. Then after we're getting a field title and description and book cost here, and we're saving it. So after saving, we're sending a response as a status and message. So let's test it. So let's go to our let's copy profile. Let's copy profile, and then let's call it as our route, that is create dash book. So it will be like create dash book. Now we need to copy a headers. So copy a header, click in bulk edit, then copy, then again click it here. Now go to our route, now go to header, and top bulk edit, copy paste it, and keep evaluating. So now first thing we need to do is we need to log in. Remember here, as our previous profile route, this is also a protected route by a middleware called auth API. So to get access to this API, to perform this action, a user must be authenticated. So for that we need a bearer token. So first let's create a data bearer token. So this is a bearer token. Let's copy it and go to our route, that is create book, and copy here, paste it here. Now request should be post type. Now send it. Alright, the field is so we haven't sent any data. So for that we're sending a data as here. We'll need title. So let's call it any book name, Alchemist, and we need a book cost as well. So book underscore cost, that will be. Then let's check another fields in here. So we have a description as well. So let's add that field as well. This DSCRIPCIN, book by Paulo Coelho. So let's submit our API. Alright, so it's showing we have success as the 200 status code, then it's showing a message status as 1, and message as book created successfully. So this response is coming from a controller that we have defined, that is here, return response JSON status 1, message book created successfully. So let's check our database to confirm it. Let's go to our book table. So as you can see, it's saved. Now let's try another one as well. So I'm gonna change book. So let's minimize it. Book name to Atomic Habit. Must read book. Price will be like around SQL 100. So submit the data is created. Go out to our database to confirm it. So it's working. So this is how you post data with authentication token in Laravel using Passport.